Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode in Python. Last time I tried again grabbing images, which worked, and although the result wasn't very good, so I'm going to try again, and with only one object to detect, I want to rely not on the touch sensors but on the sonar, and the sonar is located right below the camera. So touch sensors, sonar, camera. I have yet to make the adjustment of user interface, so let me just do that. Hopefully this works out. Yes, if you see my videos for the walking robot, then you know that I never get to see this screen, so I need to do something with the firmware. But the development of the firmware has stalled for some time, so I'm not sure if that is going to work. Anyway, let's test things and see how far we can get, how far I can get. Alright, so different camera, as you can see. Screencast with ready to run the Python code, which the source code right here, and here a terminal on Fedora Linux to actually try to display, to view the grabbed images if everything works out. Another thing that I forgot to prepare is Robot Pro for the testing. Hope that starts quickly. Should be. Time short. Anyway. Yep, there it is. And let's prepare this one. Default, no. Manual, yes. Correct IP address. And it almost never works instantly, so let's move the camera a little bit backwards and see how this works out. Go. If it does work out. And I probably will have to give password, yes. And this will happen too many times, but now it works. Oh, see? Here it does make contact, or does it? No, it's waiting for my input. Password. Corrupt image. Oh, very nice. And now it stops. Alright. So considering the noise, the crackling wood noise that happens afterwards, means that the propeller stops before the algorithm has completely finished, but latest distance is 6 centimeters, which I doubt. Anyway, it did send images. So 6 to 10 centimeters, and a lot of them. Counter, I ignore. Alright, display, TXT, result, 3, no, 6, and then 94, yeah, 42. And this is a very poor image. This is supposed to be showing red, but obviously it doesn't. So I want image, and then this is the original, obviously, but this makes me wonder when it takes the last image, because this is the last image and it is very far away. So what I actually want to see with the robot right here is that this is up close and not in distance. So I probably have to change my algorithm for that. So when does it do the camera action for the last time? Camera. Oh, I should do it differently. Camera underscore. I have excluded one thing here, so I enable it again. Here, disabled as well. So since it works again, because I disabled everything because it didn't work anymore. So now I'm taking everything back into action. And I think that will make things work better, at least. That is the objective. Okay. And then I'm there. Okay. Save. Reposition robot and do it again. And since time flies, I will have to hurry a little bit. So let's go. You're kidding me. Where? Camera action 2. Right here. No. Trying to do that. No, still not working correctly. Why not? This is all spaces. Ah, here I have a problem. Okay. Okay. Now it's consistent. Go. See, now it waits for some time because I have to give my password for the transfer of the images to the computer. There it comes, there it goes, and it selects the distance. Again, so these are a lot more images than I used to have. But I should automate these passwords because that is quite annoying. But it is turning. So that in itself is a good point. And let me turn the camera, so now it is very close to the object. So these are a lot of images. And I'm not sure what it is doing now. I'm just responding to what the program wants me to do. And those were a lot of images. Let me just, oh, that's not good. Those are all the images taken. And if I take them by date, that's all there is. And then we have, of course, the last one is this one, which is very up close, needless to say, and one that is much further away, let's say 25, 36. Here just the knob. One other earlier is 5147. Well, that is straight to the case. There's a 51.4. And that is A1. So there are a lot of images taken now in different times, and that is a good point. So time for one final thing, and that final thing is Blender. Well, yeah, because here I want to change something. The wiring has not changed, so it's still not connected, and a battery pack which is working quite okay. What I want to do here with modeling is still how do I get the various parts modeled nicely. And what I try to do here is making another one of this, except for a round one. In the modeling of the walking robot, I add a cylinder in here, but a cylinder is a separate entity. I don't want that. So what I do is I select edit mode, and then I get this, and I want to make this a circle. But somehow the tutorial is not corresponding to this version. So have I done this? Well, yes and no. Also, if I select, for instance, this one and this one, and I say, alright, I want to delete something, this happens. I don't like that. Or edges, this happens. Or faces, nothing happens. So I still don't quite comprehend it, but I want this to be a circle, and then more or less, well, I want it not just to be a circle, but like this with an open ending. So that's my objective. And with this view, which you saw in a very different angle, I say thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please show support by making a donation via either PayPal, IBAN, or become a patron, and may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. For more information, see under this video for the URL of my website, or see the final part of this video. Going to be continued, of course. So for now, once again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.